overspend this holiday season? Man, it's so easy to do. So easy to do. We have so many people that are so important to us, and we want to often gift them over and above what our budget will allow. There's so many people in our lives that help us out all through the year, and it's easy to go a little overboard during the holiday season. I've been there before. I've been on a tight budget. I used to be a public school teacher. That, in the state of Oklahoma, means that there's not a lot of money. Teacher salaries are pathetic in the state of Oklahoma. So I understand that limited budget. I understand how easy it is to overspend and to go above and beyond what your budget will allow during the holiday season. I know the stress. I know how it gives you that pit inside of your stomach, that nasty feeling. It's so fun to give. It's so good to do the shopping. It's so fun to give those gifts. But then when the credit card bills start coming in, or when the regular bills pop up and the checking account is empty, I get it, friends. I know. Guys, my name is Jami Sullins, and I am here to offer you a little bit of help if this is your situation. I am a superstar director with a company called Scentsy. Perhaps you've heard about it, perhaps you haven't. So let me tell you just a little bit more about it. Scentsy is a direct sales company. Some people call them multi-level marketing. But wait, don't stop this video just yet, because we're going to talk about some of the things that you might be thinking about this business. Let me tell you, I have been with Scentsy for over 14 years now. That's a really long time. That's honestly the longest I've ever been with any company. And let me be truthful in that when I joined Scentsy, I did not expect anything from it. I had joined other companies in the past. I had lost money to other companies in the past. And I really just didn't think this type of business would ever work for me. But let me tell you, I made profit in my first month as a Scentsy consultant, and I have made profit every single month since for 14 plus years. Now, let me tell you, there's a few things that make Scentsy a little bit different. And I think that our product, of course, if you're going to join any company, you want to know that you're selling a good product. I believe in our product. And I believe in our product because I don't have to know all the ins and outs of health stuff. I don't have to know all the ins and outs of makeup and colors and all the different skin tones. All I have to know is fragrances that I like, fragrances that maybe you will like, and these products that I've surrounded my life with that I absolutely love. So let me tell you, with Scentsy, most people just join for a hobby or some part-time income. Some say that they just hope to put their kids in an extra dance class or maybe pay off football fees. I've had people on my team that wanted a new car and it wasn't in their budget. But like I started out this video, a lot of people are needing to pay off debt that they've gotten into, or maybe you're like me and you just want a little extra fun money. That's why I started with Scentsy. I started as a customer. My friends were buying it and I thought, hey, I could sell this product, make a little extra cash, and go shopping and not affect the family budget. You see, I have a shopping problem. Well, I really don't think it's a problem, but my budget did, and my husband did, and it just wasn't working out. So I joined Scentsy for that little bit of extra cash that I could just go blow at the mall or blow at Marshall's or Target or one of my favorite stores. And it was that for quite a while. until I grew my business into the point where it is now my full-time job and my full-time income. I have been through every single step of the ladder. Guys, I started just like everyone in this company starts, with just purchasing a kit. Now, there you have it. Yep, you gotta buy something. You gotta buy something to get started in this business, but perhaps you could work and earn your kit for free. There are three different price points to get started in this business. What I recommend is the full deluxe kit, the whole shebang, if you will. But it's only $99. Guys, I know other companies out there that are asking you to spend thousands of dollars. They're asking you to put things on your credit card, and I don't want you to do that at all. I am asking you to make a small investment that can pay off huge. $99 is the largest, biggest, most deluxe kit. Now, that is going to get you definitely a warmer and a bar and tons of other products, but perhaps $99 is a stretch for you. And we're talking about needing extra money, so perhaps that is the case. I have a way where you can earn your kit. We have what's called the Hostess Starter Kit. So the Hostess Starter Kit, you will work with me to set up a party or a personal shopping link. We can talk about all different ways that you want to get started in this business. And once you hit $200 in sales, that's all, $200 in sales, at that point, you can purchase a host reward kit for only $59, but it gets better because at a $200 sales party, you will have earned $20 in hostess credit, and you could put that towards that $59 kit if you want to. So that makes it only $39. But wait, there's more. I'm starting to sound like an infomercial, but really there is more. Because as you sell more product, you earn more hostess credit, which all can go towards your hostess kit, with the possibility of you earning your hostess kit completely free. So if you're in this to make money, if you need to help pay off some of those bills, let's talk about that. Let's talk about getting you a hostess kit with zero money out of pocket, just a little bit of hustle. But I know that if you do that, you're going to do well in this business. Now, what do you get besides the kit? Of course, the kit. Different prices get you different things, and that changes all the time, so I don't even want to tell you in this video. Let's chat about that if you're curious. But on top of the kit, you're also going to get your website for your first 3 months absolutely free. At that point, the website is optional, although I highly recommend it because we are definitely in an online sales type of society right now. So you get your kit, you get your website free for 3 months, you get guidance and mentorship. I told you earlier in this video that I've been in this business for over 14 years. I know what works, I know what doesn't work, and I know that there are several things that you should be doing if you want a successful business. And I'm here to help you. I'm here to guide you, I'm here to train you, and I'm here to mentor you every step of the way in your business. Now, of course, we've talked about money. Money is possible in this business. Money is possible in direct sales. I told you I've made a full-time income. I make more than I did teaching, and I went to school for 6 years, 5+, almost 6 years to become a teacher. I didn't have to do any of that for this business. So yes, money is a possibility, but I think some of the things that I've gained from this business are even better than money. Guys, I am a travel nut. I'm a travel addict, probably. That's what a lot of people would say. And one really cool thing with this business is every single year we have at least one, sometimes multiple incentives to where you can earn free trips. Some companies give free cars. Some companies give other goodies. We give trips. And for someone like me that loves to travel, that is the icing on the cake. They're making me money. They're helping me make money. I'm making my own money, but they're giving me the opportunity to do it. But then I get to earn trips on top of that. This company has sent me all over. They have sent me to Europe on a tour through Spain, France, and Italy. They have sent me to Mexico multiple times. I'm actually leaving in just a few days for another trip to Mexico. They've sent me to the Dominican Republic. They have sent me to Costa Rica. They have sent me to Vegas a couple times. The list could go on and on and on. Disney World, guys, they sent my whole family to Disney World. Now, these are trips that you can earn through your business. But if you're doing the things you need to be doing to grow a business and to make more money, you're gonna be earning these trips as well. So we talked about money, we talked about travel, but guys, so many people join this business just for the discounts. And if you are a Scentsy addict, like I am, who doesn't need a discount? Also, early releases of different product lines. As a consultant, we earn the privilege to get some early release products. So what if, these are some things I often hear. What if you already know several people that sell Scentsy? That's okay. That's okay. Because are they just selling Scentsy? Like they're just a casual rep, they're just a casual consultant, or are they legit, honestly, hard working their business? Most people are just those casual or those hobbyists. If you're looking to really make some money, we can talk about ways that you can step up the game and really make some money. Also, think about it this way. It's okay if other people are selling Scentsy because that means we have great brand recognition. This is a product line that several people know. They know the name, they know the products are great, and they know what an awesome company it is. So it's okay. There's plenty of customers to go around. Just think about how many different Starbucks stores are there, how many different Target stores are there. Any store that you can think of that has multiple locations, all of those locations are doing well. So it's okay if there's several Scentsy consultants in your area also. I often hear, I am so busy. I do not have time for this. Guys, I hate to tell you, but busy people are the people that do the best in this company. Busy people means that you're constantly around other people. Now, I don't want you to be that annoying salesperson, always hounding people to buy things and always, oh, did you know I sell Scentsy? Did you know I sell Scentsy? No, I would never ask you to do that. I don't do that, and I would never ask you to do that. However, there are simple things that you can do in your life to let others know that you sell Scentsy product and to make yourself available whenever they need to make purchases. So the busier you are, the more people you interact with. And guys, this is a relationship business. We might sell wax and fragrance products, but this is a relationship business. So the more relationships you have, the better you will do in this business. Like I said before, I don't want you to be a salesperson. Salespeople are sometimes icky. But here's the thing. We do sell a product, but we sell a product that people know, they love, and they want. So I don't have to be a pushy salesperson. I just have to let people know what's new, let people know what I'm loving, and let them know that I am open for business. So we've talked about a couple different things in this business. You might have more questions, and I hope you do. I would be happy to talk to you about those questions that you might have. You can reach out to me on Facebook or on Instagram. Both of those, you can reach me at Jami Jo Sells Wax. Also, you can comment on this video right here, and I'll reach out and perhaps answer, well, not perhaps answer, I will answer any questions that you might have about this business. Thanks so much for spending some time with me, and I look forward to chatting with you soon.